Ever wondered what a cybersecurity architect actually does? No, we don't just install antivirus software or sit behind firewalls all day. In fact, think of us more like a digital city planners, protecting everything before the bad guys even think of showing up. Stick around because today we are learning what makes a cybersecurity architect tick. The mindset, the tools, and how we help secure the modern digital world. Welcome to your channel, Your Cyber Stop, where you learn security in a simple way. My name is Hemant, your security trainer, and for more information about me, please visit my LinkedIn profile. Picture this, a family wants to build a new home. Before they lay a single brick, they hire an architect, someone who understands the family needs. How many bedrooms, where the sunlight comes in, safety exits, all of that. The architect doesn't do the plumbing or hammer the nails, but they design a plan that makes the whole house safe, functional, and beautiful. Now swap the family with a business and the house with its digital infrastructure. Email apps, cloud servers, user data, all part of massive digital house. That's where cybersecurity architect comes in. We don't configure every firewall or write all the codes, but we design how security fits into the business from the ground up. So what exactly does a cybersecurity architect do? At the core, we design secure system, not just hardware and software, but entire security ecosystem. We look at business needs, technical risk, compliance requirement, and then design solution that balance usability, cost, and protection. Think of us like a bridge between the business and security operations. We design security architecture for cloud, on-prem, and hybrid environments. Select and position security tools like firewalls, WAFs, SIEMs, IAM systems. Define policies, standards, and best practices. Review third-party integration and ensure they don't become the entry point. Work closely with SOC, DevOps, risk, and compliance team. We are not always in the front line, but we shape the battlefield. Being a good cybersecurity architect is not just about tools. It's about having the right mindset. Think like a hacker, defend like a guardian, speak like a consultant. Most IT architects focus on how things work. Cybersecurity architects focus on how things could break. We constantly ask questions like, what happens if a hacker gets access to the system? What if an insider misuses the access? Is this app exposing sensitive customer data? Think of us as the ones always preparing for worst case scenarios. Not paranoid, just aware. We design defenses before attack happens. Whether it's access control, firewalls, zero trust, or incident response, our job is to think ahead of the attacker. You must be able to think strategically years ahead, not just what's trending now. Understand risk. Not all threats need immediate actions. Communicate with clarity for both technical and non-technical audience. Be flexible because business priorities change fast. Stay humble. No solution is perfect and you are always learning. And most importantly, you need to be a trusted advisor. People must believe in your decision even when they don't fully understand the tech. Now let's talk tools. And no, it's not all hacking and command lines. Cybersecurity architects often begin with a whiteboard, not a keyboard. We create diagrams to show how users access systems, what data flows through the network, where the potential vulnerabilities lie. Some key visuals we work includes business context diagram, who's using what, system context diagram, how do this system connect, architecture overview, what protections are in place, and then we bring in controls like multi-factor authentication, network segmentation, endpoint detection and response, cloud security posture management, encryption everywhere. Remember, we don't just pick tools, we align them with the business goals. A cybersecurity architect is also a collaborator. We talk with business leaders, engineers, cloud architect, risk officers to make sure the security strategy aligns with the business mission. Think of us like a director of a movie. We don't play every role, but we guide the whole production. We ensure that engineers implement secure code or install security infrastructure. Cloud team follows best practices. Risk and compliance are met as per regulators, and security is built in, not bolted on. It's part strategy, part storytelling, and part defense planning. Being a cybersecurity architect isn't about knowing every tool or being the smartest person in the room. It's about seeing the big picture, asking the right questions, and building systems that work securely and support the business. You are a translator, a strategist, and a defender, all rolled into one. If you are someone who loves solving complex puzzles, guiding teams, and making real impact, this role might be exactly what you are meant for. Let's recap now. A cybersecurity architect is a strategist who plans security at a design level, a bridge between business and technology, a skeptic always asking what if, a storyteller who visualizes threats before they happen. Our work helps organizations operate securely, confidently, and resiliently in an ever-changing threat landscape. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more content around cybersecurity careers and tech strategy. Drop a comment below what's one security control you think is underrated. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Until next time, keep thinking like an architect.